So question number 5 of chapter 3 vectors reads, let the polar coordinates of the point x, y, b are theta, and then it says determine the polar coordinates for the points a, b, and c, and it gives us their variable points. So question number 5, let's draw a large coordinate plane with plenty of room. It's not even. Okay, and let's do. Alright, so we have our origin at 0, 0 as the question states, and then let's put x, y here. For simplicity reasons, we are keeping it in the first quadrant. And then the polar coordinate of this is r theta. And to review a little bit, you get this from the arc of r. So if this is r, then r is also the same here. So these are the same in length. So r theta means this length r rotated this many degrees around the origin from the starting axis, the positive x-axis. So you have x, y, r theta, and theta is this angle. So, A. A says find negative x, y, and that point is going to be negative x, y. And from the visual, you can tell that r is going to be the same. So, the r, comma, and then as I was talking about with the rotation of the angle, this whole angle is 180 minus theta, because theta is being reflected over the axis, so you get 180 minus theta. Now moving on to B, it is negative 2x, comma negative 2y, and that point is going to be right there. And so as we can tell already, the radius has increased twofold, so this is going to be 2r. And then this is still theta. As we can see, it's just an easy reflection. So the new radius is 2r, and we have the first two quadrants, so 180 degrees plus theta, so 180 plus theta. And now moving on to C, we have negative x, we have 3x minus 3y, and that point is going to be right, where did my other work? Okay, so, as we can see from the original radius, this has increased threefold, but the reference angle has stayed the same, and it is theta. So now we have 3r, and we have negative theta since this is being reflected over the y-axis, the x-axis is now negative. And that is about it. It is pretty much the question's just asking you to convert these rectangular planar coordinates into polar coordinates, and it's using variables instead of actual figures.